Hello, welcome back. You can see the sunshine behind me. It's early morning. It's 7:30 in the morning. We are driving to work today. So it's very jam in KL, so we decided to do a video lah. Okay, so today Gwen is going to teach you how to say "Where are you going" in Chinese or Mandarin.
What I say, baby?
So let's get into lesson.
How to say what? Where?
Where are you going?
Where are you going? Where are you going? In Chinese we say 你去哪里? Ni, you know or not?
Ni is you.
Chi is go.
Chi. Can you spell chi?
Q-U.
Q-U. Oh, it's a different chi.
Chi. 你去
Chi.
哪里?
你去哪里?
哪里 is like where?
哪里 is where.
Yeah. So
Na
it's
and
like,
li doesn't have any separate words lah.
No.
So
It
Nali is
must
where.
be go together the word.
So 你去 you
你
where
去
go.
哪里? Where you go?
Where you go. 你 is you where go lah.
Yes.
你去哪里? Then how do you answer that? I go there.
我去 there. There is 那边。
那边。
我去那边。
我去 it's the same QU lah.
Yes.
So 我去那边。我去那边。So 你去哪里？我去那边。
我去那边。那边。Say?
我去那边。
Yes, something like that lah. Can already.
Okay. So where are you going is?
你去哪里?
你去哪里 then 我去那边。
我去那边。
Also I can say 我去office. Cannot.
我去 office. Can just say like that. 你去哪里?
我去 office. Okay.
你去哪里? 我去
那边。
我去 KFC.
我去 KFC. Oh, we are not doing advertisement and KFC is not sponsoring us. I think Gwen wants to eat breakfast today, so we're gonna go.
I feel so
KFC.
hungry.
Okay, next you learn in Tamil lah. Okay, in Tamil I think this is a very common word you will hear every macam machis, every fella will come and tell Indian fellas like Engay Poringey. Have you heard that?
Yeah, I heard that.
You heard that, right?
I heard that from you.
Yeah, I don't know. They don't even know what's the meaning, but they will say that Engay Poringey. So Engay is where, Poringey going.
So it's like Engay Poringey.
So Poringey is very respectful when you're talking to elders. You can say Poringey. And so if you're talking to your friend, you can say Engay Poren.
Angey Poren. Means where you go.
Engay Poren.
Then I say I go there.
Then you say na Angey. Angey is there, Poren.
Na Angey Poren.
So you know na is me, right? Na Angey there, Poren.
Na Angey Poren.
So if you're going to office, you can say na office Poren.
Na office Poren.
Then like now we want to go KFC, right?
Na
KFC is not
Poren.
sponsoring us. Remember that they're not sponsoring, but Gwen wants to eat KFC breakfast today morning.
Then you ask me where am I going?
So Engay Poringey.
Na KFC Poren.
Okay, now KFC go Poren. So that's all for today's lesson. Bye-bye.
Bye.